Hey friends, welcome to Show Me's World, and today I'm going to make this quick and super easy recipe in just 10 minutes of this chili garlic fried rice. So let's get started. The ingredients are cut beans, peas, diced carrots. I've used the frozen ones, and some leftover rice. You can use any rice of your choice. Chopped garlic cloves, then some freshly cut green onions, then shrimp, chicken, diced chicken, 1 egg. So these are optional. If you want to keep it veg, then you don't have to use these items. I have also used some red and green bell peppers. And now the main ingredient, the chili crisp oil. This is the chili oil actually. Then some stir fry oil, dark soy sauce, green chili sauce, and that's all. Also, one optional item is the Ajinomoto or the MSG. This you can use only if you want to. So to make the fried rice, I am first using the stir fry oil, or you can use any white oil of your choice. In a frying pan, I'm adding the oil and then adding the chopped garlic, sauteing it for a minute or so, then adding all the protein items I'm using today, the chicken and the shrimp. Sauteing it for a couple of minutes until the rawness goes away. Then I'm cracking up 1 egg and mixing all the ingredients well together. Then adding the vegetables. Added the green beans, then the red and green bell peppers, and the carrot and the peas. Mixing them for 3 minutes. Then adding the green onions. Now adding the sauce. So first adding the red chili oil, then adding the green chili sauce, the soy sauce, and mixing all of them together. Adding salt to taste. Now adding the cooked rice. This is the leftover rice I'm using. You can use any rice of your choice, and using leftover rice actually is a good idea when you're making fried rice. Mixing all of the ingredients and the sauce well in high flame for around 2 to 3 minutes. At the end, the last optional ingredient I'm adding is the MSG and giving the fried rice a final toss. This quick, super easy fried rice in 10 minutes is ready. Do give this recipe a try and like, share and subscribe to my channel, Show Me's World. Until then, bye-bye.